meant for it. Piece of plate right there. Still plug the welding leads in. Alright, so we can get the welding leads in each welder.
much work as I thought it was. That TJ alternator fit in there just like it was meant to be. I just had to use one nut to space from what the Jetta mount. It's not really a Jetta mount, it was my own mount, but yeah, I thought that was going to be the hardest part, was getting that alternator on there, and that turned out to be super easy. So this is kind of a short one. Hopefully you think it's cool and neat. I really like it. If you thought this is neat, welder on a Dune Buggie, share with a friend, subscribe, see what you think. Let me know what you think in the comments below, if it'll work or won't, or if I'm ever going to use it. I don't know, maybe it's just like not a really expensive insurance policy, but maybe it's something like that. I know I'm not done. I still have to find a place to store leads, goggles, some sort of grinder or wire brush or chip and hammer, and the welding rod. So, I mean, just because it's on the buggy, if you don't have the welding leads, it doesn't do you any good. So, it'll be nice to have, because there really ain't much on these things that hasn't been modified or welded in some way. So, plus it's kind of fun, the idea of not limping it back to camp, but actually doing like a permanent fix on the trail. It sounds pretty cool. And who knows, maybe you'll run into people on the trail that could use a welder, and I'll be there for it. So big thanks to Greg at Premier Power Welders. That was awesome of you to deliver it to me. This isn't a paid promotion. I paid for the kit from them, and I'm excited to try it out. I mean, depending on how this goes, I may end up putting one on my sand only buggy. This one's mainly for the mountains. That's the bad part, is I'm still not insured for the sand dunes, because I rarely take this one out to the sand dunes. So I might just have to have it back at camp just in case. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching.